This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, April 28th. I'm James Spann. Rain is the forecast for tonight. Pretty simple forecast. No severe weather. Probably no thunder, no lightning, just wet. Now let's go in there and check things out. That old pesky upper low that's been spinning over Texas for several days is finally lifting out, beginning to fill. That will bring rain in here. That was a radar at 2:36, and some pretty decent showers were forming around Birmingham. It was raining in Tuscaloosa, Fayette, Vernon, Sulligent, Winfield, Hamilton, and that rain will overspread north-central Alabama in coming hours. Where the rain is falling, it's pretty cool with 60s. Haleyville, 65. Look at Tupelo, Mississippi. They're in the 50s. They have 59, but on the eastern side of the state where it's still dry, it's 73 in Anniston, 74 in Alexander City. Now, that's pretty amazing right there. That's the watch warning map here in late April, and there's just nothing going on around the nation. Remarkable, and that's a good thing. However, we could see some strong storms near the Gulf Coast and especially over South Florida tonight. The standard slight risk is up, basically near and south of Lake Okeechobee. A marginal risk on the Gulf Coast from New Orleans down to Tampa Bay and Daytona Beach. That includes Mobile and Panama City and Destin. But up here, a nice stable air mass, no severe weather, and probably no thunder. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over South Florida, and that's about it. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning at 7 a.m., suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 to 1 inch. That will be tonight and tomorrow morning. All right, model fans, let's check it out. The 12Z GFS, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. And as we often do, this is at 500 millibars. We start things off. You can see the trough is rotating through the southeastern United States. This is the HRRR tonight at 9. Looks pretty wet. Got a baseball or a softball game or something going on tonight. Does not look like a good night for that. And this is tomorrow on the synoptic scale, the GFS. The surface low is near Jacksonville, Florida at 1 o'clock. And the rain should be winding down by midday. This is the high-res NAM. 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, the back edge of the rain is close to I-65. So the rain will likely end from west to east tomorrow morning. And then Thursday should be a very nice day. The low is off the Atlantic coast. The sky becomes sunny, and we'll expect a high in the mid-70s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 74. Friday looks nice, a good supply of sunshine. Again, low to mid-70s, and a beautiful day on Saturday as the weekend begins. Bright, sunny. We start the day in the 40s, the high in the 70s, and Sunday. Good chance we'll see 80, maybe low 80s with a sunny sky. Perfect weather for a race weekend at Talladega or anything else you want to do outdoors. And even next week looks good. That's Monday. Should be pretty warm. Low, maybe mid-80s in spots. And this is Tuesday. You can see the heights are coming up. There's troughing back in the western U.S., but that's not going to bother us. In fact, Tuesday of next week looks warm and dry. So once the rain moves out of here tomorrow, looks like a fairly long dry spell, especially considering the fact this is late April and early May. Here's the end of the forecast, the 8th of May. This is the end of next week. And again, troughing in the west. And all of the really active weather, if this is right, stays west of here, and that looks warm and dry. In fact, temperature is off the ensemble. You can see that cool day tomorrow. This is suggesting a high of only 65, but after that we warm up, and by the middle of next week, how about mid-80s? Nice little summer preview right there. But the good news, no sign of any severe weather problems where we are for the next 10 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television site, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.